This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with one A4 sheet, black side down if using colored paper. Fold it lengthwise and press a crisp center crease. This creates the penguin symmetry. Once done, open the sheet and fold each long edge to the center. This builds stiffness. Make a 1/4 strip now for wings and set it aside. You'll attach it later. Make sure folds are sharp, because clean creases keep the penguin upright and neat. Now shape the body. Fold the bottom up about 1/3 to create the white belly area. This contrast is the penguin's front. Next, fold the top down roughly 1/4 to form a head. Adjust size so proportions look balanced. Once done, round the sides by folding small triangular tucks inward. This gives a rounded silhouette and hides raw edges. If your paper resists holding, add a small dab of glue where layers meet to secure the form. Finish by attaching the wings. Align the 1/4 strips on either side, angled slightly back to suggest motion. Glue them at the join and hold briefly. Cut a small orange triangle for the beak and 2 feet. Place the beak between head folds and feet under the belly. Once done, draw eyes or add tiny stickers. If the penguin is floppy, insert a narrow scrap into the body seam and glue. This reinforces structure and fixes balance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.